Pre-construction process essentials. Here's an overview of the key phases in the pre-construction process, broken down step by step. 1. Reservation phase. Overview. The client secures a unit at the best possible price before official contracts are signed. Key benefits. Freedom to cancel without penalties before moving into the contract phase. Payment. Typically followed by the first deposit to secure the reservation. Second contract phase. Overview. The buyer commits to the purchase by signing the official agreement. Important details includes a 15-day rescission period where the buyer can cancel the contract without penalty. Once the rescission period ends, the investment is locked in. Payment. Requires another deposit, making this the second payment. Third, groundbreaking phase. Overview. This phase marks the official start of construction. Key milestone. A construction loan is obtained, signaling strong project progress. Payment. A third deposit is required at this stage. Fourth, top-off phase. Overview. The structure reaches its final height, a significant project milestone. Payment. A fourth deposit is requested, continuing the payment schedule. 5. Delivery, closing phase. Overview. This phase includes the final stages of the purchase and property handover. Steps involved. A walkthrough inspection to review the completed unit. The final payment is due upon closing, completing the purchase. I'm Guillermo Teran, pre-construction expert and top producer. Contact me for more information.